In this video, we're comparing Helium 10 versus Keepa. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use. Keepa is extremely simple. You can start tracking products and prices right away with almost no learning curve. The interface is clean and all the key data is upfront. Helium 10 is more complex simply because it does more. Tools are grouped by category, you can favorite your top 7, and tutorials are built in. Once you learn the layout, navigation is smooth, but it takes longer to get comfortable. Verdict: Keepa wins for simplicity. Helium 10 wins if you need organization across many tools. Features and functionality. Helium 10 is an all-in-one Amazon seller platform with over 30 tools. You can do product and keyword research, listing optimization, ad campaigns, profit tracking, competitor monitoring, and refund handling. They've recently added AI-powered PPC automation to mid-tier plans, a managed refund service, and TikTok shop tools. Keepa is specialized. It tracks over 5 billion products for price history, sales rank, and alerts. Perfect for spotting deals in retail or online arbitrage. It does not offer keyword research, PPC, or listing optimization. Verdict: Helium 10 wins for breadth. Keepa wins if all you need is advanced price and sales history tracking. Accuracy and market coverage. In tests, both tools matched Amazon data exactly. Accuracy isn't a deciding factor. Helium 10 supports over 20 Amazon marketplaces, including the US, UK, Canada, Germany, Japan, India, China, and more. Keepa covers 12 marketplaces, hitting all major ones, but missing regions like China, Poland, and Saudi Arabia. Verdict: tie on accuracy. Helium 10 leads on market coverage. Pricing. Keepa has one plan, €19 per month, about $21. Simple and cheap. Helium 10 starts at $39 per month for starter, $99 for platinum, and $279 for diamond, with up to 25% off if you pay yearly. Enterprise options are available. While Keepa is cheaper upfront, adding other tools to match Helium 10's feature set can cost more overall. Verdict: Keepa wins for budget. Helium 10 wins for consolidated value, support, and reliability. Helium 10 offers 24/7 live chat, a ticket system, a large knowledge base, webinars, and full Amazon seller training. Test responses arrived in under 7 hours and were clear and detailed. Keepa offers email support and a community forum. Response times are slower and answers shorter. Verdict: Helium 10 is stronger for support and training. Unique features. Helium 10's AI-powered PPC automation, managed refund service, and TikTok shop tools stand out for sellers who diversify beyond Amazon. Keepa's strength is its clean, no-nonsense price tracking data and customizable alerts. Verdict: if you're focused on retail or online arbitrage and just need precise price tracking, Keepa is simple, affordable, and effective. But if you're building a private label brand or managing a large FBA business, Helium 10 is the better investment. It consolidates multiple views, scales with your business, and keeps adding practical features. Some sellers use both, Keepa for fast price checks and Helium 10 for everything else. Now, if you need to pick one, Helium 10 covers more ground. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description of this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.